let's discuss the cart object in Shopify Liquid. So if you would like to loop through all the cart items, how many items in the cart, you can type for loop for item in cart.items. It will loop through all the items which are in the cart. So you can display the image of that item. You can display the title and the price, as you can see over here on the right side. So next we have item count. If you would like to know how many items in the cart, you can simply type cart.item underscore count, and it will give you the number of the total cart items in the cart. So this is how you can print the total count of the cart items. Next we have uh, cart total price. If you would like to know what is the total of the cart, you can simply say cart.total underscore price, and it will display the total amount of the cart. If there are two products, they will calculate the total of that two products and give you the total amount of that cart items. So next we have cart node. If there is any node in the cart, you can display that cart.note, and it will display the node of the cart. If someone has written the node in the cart, then you can display it, and you can put the condition. If cart has node, then display the node, otherwise it will not display this paragraph and note. Next we have attributes. If we have any attributes in the cart, sometimes we send the custom attribute to the cart. For example, at happy birthday, delivery date, gift wrap. So if there are any attributes in the cart, you can loop through those attribute by attribute in cart.attributes, and it will display the cart attributes. Okay, next we have cart dot original total price, and that this is the original total price, and cart dot total price is the price. So sometime we offer discount, and when we offer discount, the cart dot total give us the discounted price after adding the discount. But if you need the original price, like you want to get the original price without any discount, then you will say cart dot original underscore total underscore price. It will give you the original price, and this is the discounted price. If you say cart dot total underscore price, it will give you the discounted price. Next we have if you would like to get the cart discount, if there isn't any discount, you can get the cart total discount, and it will give you how much you are giving the discount. So if there is any discount, you can get that total underscore discount. Okay, cart currency. If you would like to know what is the currency of the cart, you can simply say cart.currency.io ISO underscore code. It will give you the currency code like USD, PKR, whatever the currency code will be. And then if you would like to know about the taxes, you can simply say cart.taxes underscore included. If the cart tax is included, then display this, the tax is included in the price, otherwise tax calculated at the checkout. You can add the condition like this. Next we have cart total weight. So if there are many items and we would like to know the total cart weight, how much the weight of all the items, you can get that total underscore weight with the filter weight with the unit, and it will give you the weight with the unit, whatever the unit, kg, pounds, whatever, gram, whatever the weight unit, it will display like that. Okay, next we have cart dot requires shipping. If the shipping is required, else no shipping required. You can check this condition. If the shipping is required, you can type requires underscore shipping, and in the else condition, no shipping needed. So you can check if the shipping is required or not by adding this condition. Next we have if you would like to print cart has item or cart is empty, you can check the cart.item underscore count, like how many items in the cart. If they are greater than 0, then cart has item. Otherwise you can say your cart is empty, right? So this is the complete cart object with different field: cart items, cart item count, total price, original price, total discounted price, note, attributes, require shipping, tax included, total weight, currency. We already have discussed all these fields. So this is the complete full code, and this is how your cart will look like. So your cart item, or here is showing the total cart item, and then we are looping through the items. So these are the items of displaying over here, and then we have the total cart price. It is showing here, and then we have check out the button. We can click on that and make the purchases. So this is the complete cart object in Shopify Liquid. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.